With the release of the install skin within ArmoniaPlus, users now have the option of converting their touring project files into an install project. This allows the use of source selections and zones, while also giving the options for control using Powersoft's wall mount passive controllers, web views, syscontrol app, or the wall mount touch. Upon opening our example project, we are prompted with a warning message. This message is informing us that the project has been created with an older version of ArmoniaPlus, and if saved, the project file will no longer be compatible with any older version of the software. Within the Operator View tab of a touring project, we can view controls created by using advanced groups, allowing us to control and view things such as mute, attenuation, and metering. The Operator View tab is only found within a touring project, and it has been replaced with the Views Designer tab within an install project. To convert any touring project, simply select the ArmoniaPlus emblem found in the upper left window of the workspace and choose Convert to Install System. The user is now prompted to a window explaining that their project needs to be resaved, and all Operator View configurations will be lost. Select Continue and save the new file to your desired location. Once the save is complete, the new installed project will open. The main workspace of your project is divided into three main sections: Amplifier Workspace, Speaker Workspace, and Global Group. The install skin allows the user to add sources and zones to their project. This option is not available within the touring skin. Alongside sources and zones, we can now add controls to our project and assign them accordingly, allowing for complete control over the entire system. By selecting Views Designer, we can now build customized web views, offering the end user a unique customized experience of controlling their system. Alternatively, we can assign a fixed control platform using the app view, controllable using Powersoft's syscontrol app, which is available for download for iOS or Android devices. In the Workspace window, the user can select source and add multiple sources to their project. This allows us to add both digital and analog sources to our design. By selecting zones, we can add multiple zones and assign them to our sources and loudspeakers within our project. Selecting controls, we can add multiple controls to our project. We have the option of adding passive controls such as level, source, or scene selector. These controls can be assigned to any amplifier with a GPI. And lastly, we have the option of adding an active controller to our project, the WM Touch. To run these controls, once designed, we need to select the Controls and Views tab and choose Run. It is important to note that a views host is required in order to run or control any web or app views created. The views host can be installed on any Windows machine connected to the network or natively using the WM Touch.